Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to change Hey Siri phrase on iPhone 16 Pro. So on iPhone 16 Pro we have two options to trigger Siri. We either have the custom phrase or custom command Hey Siri and this will trigger on Siri on your iPhone. But what if you want to change that to something else? Well, you can actually do that and I'm gonna show you how you can do this on your iPhone. So first make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 and then jump into settings. Then go to accessibility option. From here scroll a bit until you find the vocal shortcuts. This is a brand new option for iOS 18 that allows us to use any custom vocal shortcut command in order to trigger an action on your iPhone. So here it is. Click on continue and on the search tab here type in Siri and select for systems. Now type the trigger command or custom command word or phrase or whatever it is that you want to use. You can use a name or phrase, anything. So I'm gonna change this as hair tech, as once I click the go it's gonna prompt me 3 times to say this phrase or command in order to recognize your voice. After that your new custom trigger phrase will be set. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.